Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue the part 2 of the measure word for the animals, which is the last 3 of it. One is called tiáo. Tiáo is basically used for the something slim or long. Toe is also means head, okay? But these are basically they use for the big animal, but not necessary, okay? And the last one is P. P is also used for the only for the horse, okay? Not zebra, nothing else, okay? Or hippo, nothing. One dragon.
一条龙
One snake.
一条蛇
One fish.
一条鱼
One caterpillar.
一条毛毛虫
One dog.
一条狗
Two cows.
两头牛
Two pigs.
两头猪
Two elephants.
两头大象
Two lions.
两头狮子
One horse.
一匹马 Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye now.
As I mentioned before, if you don't remember all these measure word for the animals, and the best way to do is you just use the most common one, which is 字, okay? Even though you make mistake, at least the sentence makes sense. If you drop the measure word, then the sentence will not be good, okay? It will not has any meaning on it, okay? So you can substitute with 字 if you don't remember any of those, okay?
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye now.